and welcome back to the Wide Format Academy. On this channel, we're working to provide relevant information on your product line, on our product line, your product line, our product line, so that you're able to educate yourself, because you can't expect to be successful if you don't know what it is that you're selling, whether it's me, you, your customer, or theirs. If you've ever heard me explain our range of retractable banner stands, which I imagine most of you have, I always do it the same way. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks for coming. And if you like our content, please consider subscribing to see more. In the retractable range, we have 5 main products. So we do 2 good, 2 better, and a best, or also known as 2 economy, 2 mid-range, and a premium retractable banner stand. Within these 5 products, there are various options, width, height, bags, different things like that. But understanding these core 5 products is going to be your base knowledge of understanding our range. Today, we're going to cover the 2 mid-range products. These are what we call the performance and the professional retractable banner stands, and hopefully help you better understand the similarities and differences between the 2. Although similar in cost and quality, aesthetically, these 2 are very different. So let's check it out. As always, please feel free to share this video if you know someone who would benefit, and don't hesitate to reach out to me or my sales team if you have any questions. Bye, guys.